Before performing the service, prepare a clean workspace. Remove the mattress and clear any bedroom furniture or clutter from around and under the adjustable base. This service is best performed with the base turned over. First, unplug the adjustable base from the outlet or power point. Disconnect the USB from the control box and then remove the USB cable from all wire clips. Disconnect the auxiliary cord from the speaker system. On the side rail, detach the Velcro flap underneath the cables. Pull the Velcro flap between the platform and the shroud to expose the USB outlet on the rail. Pull the USB cable and auxiliary cord out from beneath the platform and the shroud. Remove the USB outlet. Push the new USB cable and auxiliary cord through the shroud, routing it to the underside of the base. Then place the USB outlet back into the slot on the side rail. Draw the Velcro flap back through the platform and the shroud. Reconnect the auxiliary cord to the speaker system. Then reroute the USB cable back to the control box, connecting it to the wire clips along the way. Reconnect the USB cable in the corresponding port labeled on the control box. Now that the replacement is complete, turn the bed over, reapply the mattress, and test the functions to confirm the base is operating as intended. If you have any questions or would like further assistance, please contact us through the contact information on your warranty card.